Okay, so let's get your Make.com account set up. This is where we'll build all of our automations later, so having the account ready now will save time. You'll find a direct sign-up link just below this video. If you use that link and later decide to move to a paid plan, Make gives me a small credit for referring you. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and it's totally optional. Simply click the link below and it'll take you straight to the Make.com sign-up page. On that page, you'll see a few options like Google, Facebook, or GitHub. These are extra ways you can log in and create an account. For this setup though, I strongly suggest you use an email and password. It keeps things simple if you ever need help or want to share access with a teammate, a colleague, or support. You can just change your password temporarily and stay in full control. So at this point, to set up your automation account, type in your full name, the email you want to use, and a strong password. Here are the rules for the password. Follow the prompts on screen so it's secure enough. You'll also choose where to host your data, either in the EU or the US. And of course, the country can be where your business is, where you live, or simply where you come from. Make.com will send you a quick email to verify your address. So just open your inbox, find the message they've sent, and click on Verify Email. Once that's done, you'll be able to log into your account anytime with the email and password you just created. So here we are, logging into the account for the very first time. It's going to ask a few setup questions, things like, how did you hear about Make.com? Was it recommended? What's your level of experience? Just pick whatever fits you. There's no right or wrong answer here. It'll also ask about your team size. You can choose only me if you're working solo, or select the size of your team. Then it asks what kind of apps you're planning to use. You can leave this blank or just tick a few. For me, I'd usually add things like Make AI agents, WordPress, Instagram, Google Sheets, OpenAI, and even Gmail, as we may use it in automation later. You'll also see Google, Gemini, and Facebook in the list. Where it asks about other apps, I'd type Etsy here since that's where most of our automations connect. For the last field, I usually write something like, I want to use automation to help my e-commerce business grow. Once that's all filled in, click Get Started. This bit is mainly background info for Make, so don't overthink it. After you submit, it'll take you to your main dashboard. It might take a few seconds, and you may see the screen refresh once or twice. Then you're logged in and you'll see a dashboard with 0 free credits waiting for you. So far, it hasn't cost anything to get here. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you now have a free Make.com account ready to use for your automations. I'm not going to go into the Make.com dashboard right now. We'll come back to it later as we build out the rest of your automation step by step. So for now, you're good to go.